Lisa Kudrow's Valerie Cherish is back. Everything we know about the comeback season 3. It's official, the comeback returns for a third and final season, closing Valerie Cherish's Hollywood saga. If you're new to the show, here's a quick overview. HBO has confirmed Lisa Kudrow's cult-beloved comedy is coming back for one last chapter. The series premiered in 2005 with a mockumentary satire, returned in 2014 with an unexpected chance at prestige television, and now promises a conclusion more than 10 years later. Fans all over are excited to watch how her narrative concludes. Who's back? Obviously, Kudrow stars as Valerie. Longtime fans may recognize familiar characters such as Dan Bucatinsky, Damian Young, and Laura Silverman, who are all scheduled to return. Season 3 will feature John Early, Abbi Jacobson, Julian Stern, Kudrow's real-life son, Shabaka Henley, Brittany O'Grady, Tony Macht, and Zane Phillips. The combination of old and new talent ensures that the show will end on a high note. What fans can expect? The plot elements are still not known, but Valerie will once again have to navigate the difficulties of the show industry. According to speculations, she will appear in another sitcom titled How's That? Production will begin in summer 2025, with a 2026 premiere on HBO and Max. Why it matters. Part of what made the comeback memorable in the first place was how horribly funny and painfully real it seemed. Valerie's cringe-inducing attempts to remain in the spotlight were both humorous and heartbreaking. In 2005, it was ahead of its time. In 2014, it struck even harder. In today's social media-driven world, where everyone is their own brand, Valerie's troubles may seem more familiar than ever. What we don't know yet. Because the plot is still unknown, it is impossible to predict where Valerie's work or personal life will take her. We also don't know if all of the fans' favorite characters, such as her devoted hairdresser Mickey, will return. For now, Lisa Kudrow is reprising Valerie, the cast appears packed, and one of TV's most cringeworthy yet endearing characters should get the send-off she deserves.